मौला मेरे मौला 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 मेरे मौला 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 मेरे मौला 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 मौला
We are in the old part of Delhi, and this is how it looks. Extremely congested. So many people everywhere, and they've got e-rickshaws going for. You can commute in the e-rickshaws also. This is a e-rickshaw, and this is the e-rickshaw driver.
ये खा जाएगा मोदी
You see that?
पूरा गाड़ी खा जाएगा
That's the e-rickshaw we are sitting in. Very interesting. And well, maybe I can come on the other side. Hello viewers. Today we are at the monumental and classic Jama Masjid, which is a monument par excellence for New Delhi. While it is the old Delhi quarter, this part of the structure dominates in a big way on a massive masjid structure that has been made. As you can see, there is a big compound there with a lot of people coming in and going out. And this part houses the masjid, as you can see, and they are praying. There they are praying over there. Has been made in a masjid design as well. It's an intricate design that has been made on the floor, which looks so nice. Look at it. So this is the front part of the Jama Masjid, as you see. The 2 minarets and the 3 domes. A very beautiful structure which dominates in a way the part of Delhi, the old part of Delhi, which was made by the Mughals. And this is the big courtyard here where people come and sit, they relax in the honor of God, and you can see all around you. In front you have again this stone structure going right to the top. This is the beauty of Jama Masjid. You can see how many people are there, and we'll be going on the tower as well, for which we have paid just now, and we'll show you from the tower the view that there is. Hello viewers, I have reached the top of Jama Masjid Tower. It was a very hard and difficult climb. I am still panting, as you can see. Ini adalah susah saya untuk mari di sini. Tapi tapa, ini sangat cantik. Tengok di sini. Semua cantik saja. It is so beautiful, the view. I can't tell you. The climb was worth it. Look at the beauty, the fresh air, the cool air, which this pious masjid gives you as a reward. So just look at it. Look at it. It's so beautiful. And there are so many people here. So many people, see, who are visiting the tower. He is my friend here, Mr. Mohammad Irshad, and the person who brought me and helped me like an angel, like a farishta. His name is Arman, and he will help me to take me downstairs again. This is the greatness of these people, loving and affectionate and caring people whom we are proud of. Thank you, viewers. We are now in a place called Chandni Chowk, which is the old part of Delhi. As you can see, this is how congested it is. And there is Red Fort nearby, opposite side of it. These are the hand-pulled rickshaws which they have here, which they have authorized only in this area. You can't have e-rickshaws and others to ensure the business for these people. You see that? The pulling ones. That's him, another pulling rickshaw over here. And that's the market over here. This is the Gurdwara Seesganj. Gurdwara Seesganj. A very famous Gurdwara for the Sikh community and all other communities who wish to come here. Very well located and very famous. They say if you take a vow here or you need something, you pray to God here, it will be granted. That's the main entrance, as you see, to the Gurdwara Seesganj. There is the Fawara, as they call it. You can see the symbol over there. The famous Ghante Wala is there. The famous Annapurna, and so on. We are standing right in the center of Chandni Chowk. As you can see, there are no vehicles allowed in this area, only the hand-pulled rickshaws. Hence, people are extremely comfortable to walk on the road without the fear of being hit by any vehicle. That's how it is under the new administration. We have entered the Parathe Wali Gali, which is famous for eatery in this old Delhi part. And we have a rickshaw also over here amidst this congestion. And we have come here to a Paratha World. Welcome to Paratha World shop, which apparently does good parathas, and in the Paratha Wala Gali. So we are going in now to take a seat, and I'll show you further what kind of foods are being served here. All this, if you look at it. Yeah, we are going in. That's how it looks from the inside of the shop. It's around 2:30 in the afternoon and it's full. There's total chaos on the roads. And we're gonna order something now, and I'll show you the kind of food they are serving.
Mawla, Mawla.